My name is Mia if you're new here and you're watching Mamma Mia. Mamma Mia. Here we go again. So yeah, today we are going to do 2 slick braids and I'm really in a hurry. I need to hurry up and get dressed to go, but I wanted to film this for you guys because like usually I don't know what I'm doing, and just in case I succeed, I would like to upload a video today. Okay, so just stick around, press subscribe, like the video, comment how you feel about everything, and thanks for watching. See you guys later. Start off by giving yourself a middle part. This is about as straight as my part is gonna get. Apply gel to the inner part of your hair, basically your edges. And if you're going to wear baby hair, make sure you style your baby hair first. Now put gel on the outer part of your hair, like where the part is. And because I'm going for like a more natural look, I chose to just wear my hair wet. So I want it to be like curly. I want it to look natural. That's the look I'm going for. I just want it to look like I just woke up and put my hair in 2 braids. Comb through the slick part so you can make sure like there's no bumps and try to get as slick as possible. I mean, you can use edge control and it'll probably last longer, but I just prefer to use gel because I feel like it's going to look more natural. It's not going to look as stiff, but also it's probably going to only last 3 days. So now take your braided hair into sections. Start off with small pieces first, and then the more pieces that you grab, you can grab bigger chunks of hair. So that's what I'm showing you right now. And the smallest piece is going to be your first piece. So make sure that it's close to you. Start off as close as you can so the braid can like start at the beginning of the part. And now this is where things get tricky because like I said before, I do not know how to braid, so I'm really about to just tell y'all like how I winged it and made it work. I braid underhand if you haven't noticed already. So I'm just like braiding and grabbing hair, braiding and grabbing hair. And then what I did with my feedins, I basically did with my slick braids. I added the hair under the braid and I grabbed it with my 2 fingers, and then I continued to braid the hair into my natural hair. I did want this to be a very natural looking 2 slick braids. Like, I didn't want it to look like I added hair at all. So I only added about 3 to 4 pieces to the actual French braid, like the slicked part, and then I added another piece to the loose braid while I was braiding down. So I didn't use that much hair. I only used about a pack of hair, half of a pack, if that. This is me showing you again how I just put the piece between my 2 fingers, and then 1 piece is left out with my natural hair, and then I just braid as if I'm braiding my natural hair. So the braiding hair is mixed in with my natural hair, and then it gets fed in, and you can't see a knot or where the braiding hair starts. And like I said before, I'm not a professional, so if I'm not explaining it well, I'm sorry, but trust me, if I can do this, you can. And while you're braiding down, just continue to add gel so your natural hair can blend with the braiding hair. You don't want your natural hair to be all fuzzy and curly and stuff while the braiding hair is straight. So gel helps with that. I wanted to make this video real time so you can see it literally only took me 15 minutes to do it. And I'm a beginner, so I braid slow. Love it. It came out exactly how I wanted it to look. And for me to be in a rush because I really had somewhere to go, you can't even tell. And I know I say this all the time, but I cannot stress this enough. Like, if I can do it, you can, because I am not a braider. Y'all see how I braid. Like, I braid weird. Like, because I'm self-taught for everything I do. So if you don't get it the first time, just try it again. Good luck. Hopefully this tutorial helps you. And if you're not already, please subscribe, like the video, and comment. Thanks, guys. Love y'all.